Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the LED light strips in the front cap of a Grand Design Imagine travel trailer. The model I'm working on is a 2020 2400 BH, but these are the same lights used on the 2800 BH, 2500 RL, 2600 RB, and other Imagine models. In fact, the replacement procedure I'm showing you today should apply to other makes and models as well. It's not that difficult of a job. I would say that it's a fix that most anyone can do, even someone with little to no RV experience at all. That being said, I am not an RV mechanic, so if anyone has a better way to do this or has any additional suggestions or tips, feel free to comment below. First of all, let me show you the parts you'll need. The part name is Light LED Strip 36-inch Cool White Black. The part number is 420428, and it's not something that you can buy on Amazon or eBay. I had to get mine ordered directly through my local Grand Design dealer. The good news is that they're not that expensive. A pair of these is only around $16. I replaced the lights on my RV for two reasons. Number one is that over time, that clear rubber-like coating that covers and protects the LEDs erodes and falls apart over time. And number two, the adhesive that holds the lights in place started to come undone near the top of each strip, and the lights were starting to peel away from the cap. Step number one of this project is to remove the old lights. They simply pull right off with little effort, and this is what they look like once they're off. There will be a little bit of residue left behind from the old adhesive, but that can be easily cleaned up with some good bug and tar remover. Once you have the surface nice and clean, you're ready to make the switch. You will have to cut away the wiring for the old lights so you can splice in the new ones. Pull the wiring for the old lights out about 6 inches, give or take. You want to be careful that you don't yank too hard or pull the wire too far out, as you don't want to break an internal connection. Once you have enough wire out to work with, go ahead and cut both the black and red wires. Then trim the ends with a wire stripper and splice the wires together. For joining the wires together, I'm a big fan of these heat shrink solder connectors. They make a really good waterproof seal and they're really easy to use. You just need a heat gun. Since the connector essentially melts into the wire, the connection is nice and trim and the wires easily go back into the access hole. Once that's done, all you need to do is peel back the protective film, line up the strip, and press it into place. And the last step is to lay down some new sealant where the wires enter the cap to avoid any water intrusion. So there it is. When it's all said and done, we were able to replace both lights in our Grand Design for around $16. It took less than 30 minutes and we needed hardly any tools. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.